Now we divide 688 by 4 in long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting we get 2. So this 2 is less than 4. So we put down this 8 and it is 28. 4 times 7 is 28. On subtracting we get 0. So again we put down this 8 and 4 times 2 is 8. On subtracting we get 0. So 688 divided by 4 is 172. So this much for today and thanks for watching.